So next as well, we're going to dive into the experience that a lot of you are waiting for and looking forward to. This is where we're going to go into the advisory conversations with the Hitachi leaders. So at this time, you're going to be able to meet with them, talk with other attendees in the lounge as well, and really use this time to become engaged, be very curious, right? Use that curious energy that you have inside you and focus on unlocking access. So we're going to give you about 20 minutes to have a conversation at those roundtables. And I have to warn you that sometimes the time passes quickly without you even realizing it because the conversations are so vibrant. But before we get started, I'm going to introduce you to the leaders that will facilitate these advisory conversations. And I'm going to welcome them to the stage because I want them to share what they're most looking forward to chatting about today and what their focuses are. So with that, I'm going to invite Tahara to join me. Sharon is also an advisor you'll be able to meet. Meg, and they're coming on, so I'm going to stop my screen share too. We have Deb joining us, and Dora, Hannah. Okay, welcome everyone. So as you all come up, I want to start with Sharon. How can you tell us what your word of intention is for today, and what you're going to be talking about at your table?
Absolutely. A word of intention is empower. Hopefully, people leave this session and the investment of all my amazing colleagues feeling empowered with a new piece of wisdom, a new idea, a new inspiration. And at the alliances, the partnership table, I would like to continue the conversation with anybody who is interested in learning more about how to partner with Hitachi in an ISV capacity, learn more about our P2P program, and if you want to discover what we're looking for from a profile of a potential partner, please come by and say hi.
Thanks, Sharon. Tahara, how about you?
I would have to go with my word of intention for today is going to be involvement. Just getting involved in things outside my normal job scope has made just my experience so much better. There's so many groups and employee resources and stuff that I've gotten to be involved in that it's just changed kind of like my everyday job life.
Excellent. And Tahara, what's your table focus going to be on today?
Company culture.
Excellent. Let's go to Hannah next.
Sure. Hi, everyone. I think my theme, I guess, would be idea generation. So I'm excited to lead the marketing table discussion and just be able to share and answer questions and talk a little bit about how we can approach marketing differently. So maybe generate some ideas that are outside of the traditional thoughts of how to do marketing. So I'm looking forward to chatting with everyone.
I love that. Breaking the mold. Great. Meg, how about you go next?
Yeah, absolutely. My word is connection. I love these events. My favorite takeaway is just like the connections that I make and the different women I get to speak with and meet in the chat and then at the tables. And it's great to form those connections and then see some familiar faces at additional events throughout the year. And I will be co-hosting the culture section with Tahara. As I mentioned, it's my favorite thing to talk about. So happy to discuss.
Great, thank you, Meg. Sarah, welcome. Tell us a bit what your word of intention is for today and what topic you'll be discussing at your table.
Thank you so much. Hey everyone, so I'm Sarah Critchley. The table is digital transformation that I am leading today, and I'm really excited to do that. The reason being is because I really wanted to direct the conversation around the word, or essentially the the kind of topic of reframe. So the problem is with digital transformation is people often think it needs to be defined when it's more about changing the conversation to what it could be. So that's what we're going to be talking about on the table today.
Excellent. Thank you, Sarah. Endora, how about you go next?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name's Endora. I'm the Senior HR Manager here at Hitachi Solutions. My table is going to be HR recruitment, and my word of intent is to inspire. So please come by and stop by my table if you'd like to learn more about a day in the life of being in HR, or if you're interested in joining our company. I'd love to talk to you and just, leave you inspired and wanting to learn more and connected.
Excellent. And Deb, last but certainly not least.
Thank you, Reza. My name is Deb Murata, and I'm the VP of Retail and CPG Industry. So at Hitachi, we focus our solutions based around industry. And so my word of intention is be relevant. So whenever on the table topic, we'll be talking about your solutions, how to tailor the messaging to specific industries so they can drive business outcomes with your solutions. And we found that to be particularly successful at Hitachi with all of our different solutions as well. Very interested in talking to all of you about partnering together and how we may be able to go to market together in those industries. Very interested in your conversation, Padma, so stop by my table.
Great. That is so lovely. I'm very excited to hear the feedback of these conversations. So I know we all want to get to it. I'm going to share with you a floor plan so you know where to find these lovely ladies when we go to the lounge. So I help you easily find them. Of course, they won't be on the actual floor plan in the virtual lounge, but marketing conversation will be held here, selling industry first, digital transformation, co-sell and channel opportunities, company culture, we have 2 tables for that, and then HR and recruitment. So as you can see at the bottom of each table, you'll be able to see the name of what the topic is there. And with that, I really, again, want to encourage you all to be open, use this time to create and unlock infinite access, manifest those goals together, and be intentional about creating access to things like people, resources, and economic opportunities. So is everyone excited to get started? Yes? Excellent. Okay, so I will take us all back into the lounge and we'll bring you back in about 15, 20 minutes or so. Okay, see you in the lounge.